Tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bittensor, ticker symbol TAO, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom bar in between portfolio and activity, press on explore. Then at the top, press on the search bar, type in ticker symbol TAO. At the top it says Bittensor, press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom and press on buy TAO or buy Bittensor, and type in the amount you're looking to purchase. So for this example, if you wanted to type in the minimum of 12.50 here in Canada, I'll go ahead and do that. You can also see how much shares that is as well by just going back and forth. If all looks good, you want to proceed, press on the purple arrow. Then on this page, you can review the amount, the price, the fee, the total. If all looks good, you want to proceed. Go to the bottom, press on the purple confirmation button, and then proceed that way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Bittensor, ticker symbol TAO on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.